Yo, YouTube, how's it going? I'm back again with another Kilter Board vlog episode, and on this one, we'll be going over the panel installation, finishing that up with the screws, and starting the mainline hold install. Hope you enjoy. Hey, I'm back. Just took a rest day from the wall. I haven't done much to it since the last episode. Just bought some new tools here to kind of help out with the end. These little drill bits are, they pop out, so it's so annoying doing the screws. So I got these new drill bits. That's all in one piece, so it just goes into the bit as one piece and it doesn't have two pieces, so that'll help out. I got this to drill holes in the studs because the LED lights, they kind of design this thing for like a metal frames. They don't really tell you like the LED light, the distance between each light isn't enough to like go over my studs. So I'm just gonna have to drill a hole, on the side right there. It's kind of flush with the panels, and so the LEDs can go through. So got this drill bit to do that, and then I got this chalk line to help. Maybe I'll try to use it for the screws, and I can just put it from the bottom to the top and then just pull it out and snap it down to do a chalk line, and then we can just stud that way. So yeah, and then this guy right here, I just cut this piece. I'm gonna put it right up in here because as you can see, these LED holes, just a slight little bow in the wood that happens. So yeah, we'll jam that in there, and yeah, I'll get the chalk line going. All right, check it out. We got all the screws in finally. Use these blue chalk here for doing the lines with the chalk line, and that worked really well for marking the studs and putting all these screws in. We didn't miss any studs at all, and yeah, it was pretty easy. Just follow the line and doing it about every 8 inches or so to the top, and yeah, it's pretty much all there. So we're ready to set. I'm gonna just go over some of the techniques I use for getting the screws in the wall, and haven't done this technique before, but it was really helpful. So we'll go over that in just a second here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over one of the techniques I use to screw in the deck screws here on the board for the panels. So this is a little magnetic strip, and I got these drill bits. So you put that through, and then just use the screw to do this little metal clasp. It's locked in. And you put this on. So now, when you do the screws, it stays on there well. So it really helped with screwing it in. So yeah, I suggest using one of those. You don't drop the screw that way. Check it out, we're starting to set. It's looking good, the process is going well. Just doing it on the computer here. So all we do is find the hold, any hold, we can just grab any one. So we got 1377. And then we just search that here, 1377. And there it is. So right there, so it's 2 down and 4 over. So 2 down, 4 over, 1137, 7 right here. And then we just line it up at the mark, but I gotta do the 155-degree angle. So I'll do that in a minute here. So we got all the holds here laid out. I'm gonna start setting, just laying as some holds out, seeing how the workflow goes, and it's going good. Got all the compass angles finally marked here in pencil, so you can see all these arrows point to the T-nut it's for. So that's a real important, you got to have that done before, because if you don't, as you put holds on, you don't have enough room to do the compass. So yeah, Yeah, so they're all in there, and we're gonna start setting. We got a few bolts missing with the order, so those are coming. About 70 or so are coming here, so we'll wait for those to come, but we'll put all the holds on that we can get, and then do the LEDs, and we'll put the rest on as the bolts come in. Check it out. Getting a lot of the main line on. It's going pretty smoothly with all the compass angles and hold numbers lined up. It's working pretty good. So yeah, just everything that's kind of missing in all these lines is where we need to put holds. And then everywhere in between it will be the aux line. We'll do that last. Waiting for some more bolts to come. So hopefully those will come in the next few days here, and then we can finish everything up and do the LEDs. So that'll end it for now. We'll be back the next couple days here when we start finishing up.